Hey everybody, welcome to the Tuesday Tidbit. Each week I take a different term from the world of real estate, unpack it, and try to explain it to you in a way that's easily understood. This week we're talking about earnest money deposit. Part of the offer negotiation process will oftentimes include an earnest money deposit, abbreviated EMD. This is a deposit given from the buyer to an escrow agent. Escrow agent would be an attorney, could be the firm, it could be the agent themselves, but that escrow agent holds onto this deposit until closing. This shows a good faith effort from the buyer that they're really interested in the home and they're not just going around putting in offers. That makes the buyer have some skin in the game. This money, the earnest money deposit, is refundable up through the end of the due diligence period. Remember last week we talked about the due diligence period, so make sure you go back in and look at that to really kind of do a little refresher if you need it. If a buyer backs out after due diligence, they forfeit their earnest money deposit and it can go directly to the seller. That can be really confusing. Make sure you're asking your agent and really understand the difference between due diligence money and earnest money deposit. If you like these videos, there's plenty more on my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. If you like what you're seeing, be sure to follow me there. Share it with your friends if you think they may also find some value in it. I've got more great content coming soon as well, so make sure you're tuning in. I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.